In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Webex add-in. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll have the tool ready to enhance your scheduling experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Outlook. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. When you do this, you may see several search results. It's important to ensure you are looking for the official Outlook website. This is a critical step because accessing the correct site ensures that you get the official version of Outlook without any risks. Once you find the right link, you are ready to move on. Next, click on the correct link to access Outlook. This will typically be the link that takes you to the Outlook web application. You should see a familiar interface with your email or calendar options. It is essential to click on the right link, as clicking on an unofficial site could lead to security risks or errors later on. After you click the link, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you are not already. Now log in if prompted. You may need to enter your email address and password to access your Outlook account. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity and allows you to access your personal emails and calendar. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, you may need to complete that process as well. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your inbox, and from there we can proceed to the next step. After logging in, select an email or create a new message. You can either choose an existing email or simply click on New Message to start fresh. This action is significant because it activates the interface where you will find the add-ins option necessary for adding the Webex tool. If you create a new message, ensure you fill in the recipient's address so that you can see all the features available when composing an email. Next up, click on Apps, then click Get Add-ins. This option is usually found in the toolbar above your email draft. By selecting this, you open the marketplace where various add-ins are available for Outlook. This step is important as it allows you to explore additional tools that can enhance your productivity. Once you click on this option, a new window will open, presenting you with a variety of add-ins to choose from. At this point, type Cisco Webex Scheduler into the Search Marketplace bar. This search will help you quickly locate the specific add-in you need. Make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any errors. This step saves you time because instead of scrolling through a long list of add-ins, you can directly find the one that fits your needs. Once you've entered the name, hit Enter to initiate the search. Once the search results appear, locate the official tool and click Add. You should see the Cisco Webex Scheduler in the results. When you click Add, the scheduler icon will now automatically show up whenever you compose a new calendar invite. This integration is beneficial because it streamlines the process of scheduling meetings directly from your calendar. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the add-in has been successfully added, giving you peace of mind that everything is set up correctly. With these steps completed, you have successfully downloaded and integrated the Webex add-in into your Outlook. This tool will significantly enhance your scheduling capabilities, making it easier to host and manage meetings. Thank you for following along and enjoy using your new tool.